What's going on, everybody? Currently it's raining, but this is what I eat in a day for someone who's trying to gain mass and have high protein, low fat, and really you can follow this to stay lean, lose weight, gain muscle mass as well. So here's my boy Alex. Bro, just tell us real quick, how was this session that we just had? Obviously I'm tired, but from your perspective, how was this for you?
Yeah, complete full body destruction. Fucking, we're in there the duration of everyone coming and going, like,
Sick.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Vegan hell.
Hey.
So something I'm not new to is simply just having an acai bowl before a workout. But this in combination with, some coconut water, which is what I had afterwards but didn't film, was a great combination to fuel me on a cellular level so that way I can be able to perform this workout. Also, for anybody that doesn't know this, cacao nibs are really, really great for cognitive function. If you're really interested in building muscle in this lifestyle as a vegan, raw vegan, alkaline vegan, whichever one it really is, you want to pay attention to this point of the video right here, because this is me spilling the beans on how I've been able to build muscle on this lifestyle, okay? After having that very beautiful breakfast, me and my friend Alex went to the gym, and what we've primarily focused in on was reps, and then intensity, and then negatives to build the muscle that we want to build, okay? What I've learned over the years is that doing reps is cool, but you don't need to be doing 400 or 500, reps in a day. That's kind of unnecessary, as well as applying certain techniques to be able to really tear the muscle is important as well as also focusing in on form and activation. So if you focus in on form and activation, intensity, as well as doing negatives, you will definitely grow muscle.
So currently what I'm having is this beautiful looking like salad, Buddha bowl, whatever we're gonna call it. It's just got like some beans, some black beans with some champignons, hongos. I forget which one it is. I think it's hongos or if it's probably champignons for mushrooms. If you guys know, comment down below to remind me. But it's just that with some vegetales. So we got like some carrot, some lechuga, and some other things, okay? Cebolla, which is onion. And yeah, so today I went pretty hard, and I'm also adding some black pepper to this for, the absorption. I'm a little tired, I can't even hold you, but I got some calls after this to do with some clients. But yeah, after this, all I'm gonna have is just fruits and herbs. So this is pretty much my one meal of the day. And it's hot, it's just a lot of protein in it. We got the mushrooms, the vitamin D, right? And we also have everything else. Like there's really not much more I need outside of this.
So after having my lunch, I went into nature just to do what I call some weird time. I love going into nature and just kind of forgetting who I am, what I do, and just everything about my existence, and kind of just like letting the universe guide me. It's a beautiful thing that I like to experience from time to time. It also helps me, get connected, for lack of better terms. On this walk, I actually found a rock that really, really means a lot to me, and I carry it with me all the time now because it's literally the shape of a heart. And, in that moment, it meant a lot for me to find a heart-shaped rock that was connecting some dots for me. So, but after that, I actually had some mangoes and some papaya with some tea, which was just some ginger tea. And that was really it. This was all that I ate in a day as, someone who's trying to build muscle.